Okay, exercise 4.9. Okay, two reservoir with two pipe. Okay, first pipe is 300 millimeter diameter, equal to 0.3 meter. Length is 7 meter. Okay, pipe 2 450 millimeter equal to 0.545 meter. Length is 8 meter. Okay, second reservoir. Okay, so okay, pipe, overall pipe length of overall pipe is 15. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so then the entrance and exit are sharp. So entrance, exit, sharp. Okay, then we have change of section is sudden. The water surface in upper reservoir is 7 meter above the lower. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, from this one. Okay, upper level and lower level is equal to 7 meter. So Z1 minus Z2 is equal to 7 meter. Okay, so then tabulate the losses of head which occurs and calculate the discharge in meter cube. So calculate H. Okay, what is H? What is Q? Okay, given F is equal to 0.01. Okay, so first of all, write the Bernoulli equation. So Z1 plus P1 over omega plus V1 squared over 2G is equal to Z2 plus P2 per omega plus V2 squared over 2G plus H. Okay, because of P1 is and P2 is equal to P ATM, so P1 and P2 is cancelled out. So V1 is 0, V2 also 0, so cancel out. So we only have Z1 minus Z2 is equal to H. Okay, so what is H? H is equal to, okay, sharp entrance. So sharp entrance is 0.5 V1 squared over 2G. Okay, second one is friction in pipe 1. Okay, is equal to 4 FL1 divided by D1 times V1 squared over 2G. Okay, plus sudden enlargement. So V1 minus V2 squared over 2G. Okay, fourth one is friction for pipe 2. So 4 FL2 divided by D2 times V2 squared over 2G. Okay, last one is sudden and sharp exit, plus V2 squared over 2G. Okay, so simplify the equation. Okay, so before that, okay, we have V1, we have V2. So we must have one equation that can change or which can replace V1 here. So we know Q is equal to A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Okay, so V1 is equal to A2 divided by A1 times V2. Okay, so A1 is pi d A2 is pi d2 squared over 4. Okay, times, okay, divide by A1. A1 is, okay, 4 times 4 pi d1 squared. Okay, times V2. Okay, cancel 4, cancel pi. So D1 and D2. So D2 is 0.45 meter. Okay, divide by square. Divide by D1 square. D1 is 0.3 meter squared. Okay, times V2. Okay, calculate this. We have 2.25 V2. Okay, so replace V1 with this equation. So we have, okay, H is equal to 0.5. Okay, change V1 here with this equation. So 0.5 times 2.25 V2 squared over 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Okay, this is for sharp entry. Okay, plus 4 F is 0.01, L1 is 7 meter. Okay, divide by D1. D1 is 0.3 meter. Okay, times V1. V1 is equal to, okay, 2.25. Okay, 2.25 V2, okay, squared over 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Okay, this is for the first friction. Okay, plus this one. Okay, V1 is 2.25. Okay, 2.25 V2 minus V2 squared over 2G, so 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 4 is friction for second pipe. So 4 FL2 is 8 meter. Insert the value first for F. Okay, 4 times 0.01 times 8 divided by D2. D2 is 0.45 meter. Okay, times V2 squared over 2G. Only change V1, not V2. Okay, remain the V2. So V plus V2 squared over 2G. Okay. Okay, 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Okay, V2. Okay, meter per second squared. Okay, so simplify the equation. So we have, okay, calculate each equation, okay, each part. Okay, so we have, okay, h is equal to, okay, 0.129 v2 squared plus 0.24 v2 squared plus 0.0796 v2 squared plus 0.036 v2 squared, okay, plus 0.05097 v2 squared. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we know z1 is z1 minus z2 is equal to 7. So this one is 7. 7 is equal to 0.53557 v2 squared. Okay, so v2 squared is equal to 7 divided by 0.53557, okay, is equal to 13.070, or v2 is equal to 3.615 meter per second. Okay, so Q is equal to A to V2. So pi d2 squared over 4 times V2 is equal to 3.615 meter per second. So we have here 0.574 meter cube per second. Okay, that's it. Okay. First of all, draw the diagram. Okay, write the Bernoulli equation. Okay, simplify the equation. Okay, then we have the answer for V2, we have the answer for Q. Okay, thank you.